At Home and Lifestyle Television, we love educating our viewers about health and wellness. And we do a segment on every show called For Your Health. And so here's what we have for you today. We hope you enjoy it.
So we lose voltage as we age. So the ability to introduce voltage from outside of the body in a safe way is really the answer. Not only for pain relief, but also for actual regeneration. Sometimes injuries or chronic disease states require exogenous energy or energy from outside the body. So the magnetic field is the ideal way to bypass that skin barrier.
So when I tried the Pulsed Harmonix mat, well, right away I noticed energy. So I would use it whether I was hurting. I noticed my lower back area, which is where I had placed the mat, felt refreshed.
When I found Pulsed Harmonix, I was so happy because I finally found something that helped me. I finally experienced a pain-free day.
We've had unbelievable success with tens of thousands of patient hours and my time on the device as well as an athlete. This is decades-old technology that used to cost tens of thousands of dollars in a clinical situation, wasn't mobile, and has consistently been reduced in size and efficiency so that now we have a clinical quality device output for home prices.
My journey to find wellness and less pain in my body began about 3 years ago when I was run over by an SUV. The doctors told me there was a good chance I couldn't walk. There was a massive amount of damage done to my pelvis and my lower back. It was completely shattered. And after using a walker for about 4 months, the doctors just said, you know, you're 35 years old, you might as well get used to living with pain for the rest of your life.
We have a client, a cancer survivor. She's like, I can literally go out my back door and there's hiking trails in the mountains. I didn't have the energy for it. I didn't have the desire for it. Like, I'm hiking again. I am going out. I am able to be more productive at work.
From an athletic standpoint, we have a lot of folks obviously with acute injuries, ankle sprains, knee injuries, shoulder injuries. These respond incredibly well, very, very quickly. Pain relief, we know that scientifically we get a 400% increase in stem cell proliferation in the area being treated. Blood flow, lymphatic drainage, range of motion, mobility, sense of well-being, endorphins, being able to rebalance the gut, the brain. This increases detox by 50%.
Well, it's very exciting that something so relieving is so available to the public. Just relying on the things that we have in the past hasn't worked. Just taking advantage of it because it's there is important.
Some of our clients, like truck drivers and ranchers and folks who are behind the wheel a lot for work, they report reduced back pain, greater awareness, being able to be focused late in the day without stimulants. And the device is also fantastic for colds, flu, sore throats, all these things that might crop up in a family situation.
My doctor had explained that, you know, our bodies are made of energy. And so we're kind of, in essence, like a battery. And over time, our battery starts to drain and drain and drain, and we lose our energy, and our body function starts to lower.
I started looking for every way I could strengthen my body and release some pain from my body.
It replenishes that energy, and it restores our vitality, and so our body's able to do what it's supposed to do.
Pulsed Harmonix has really changed my everyday life for the better. I can go play with my kids on the playground. I can go run around with them and I'm not sore. It's restored me back to where I feel like I should be.
I would definitely recommend this to anybody experiencing any sort of pain, any type of muscle injury, or anything where you just feel like you need to be rejuvenated, because that's what it did for me.
Being able to regenerate, which is really the new buzzword in medicine. A number of these folks have worked with NASA and they had multi-million-dollar budgets to study pulsed electromagnetic field therapy and its effects on the human body.
Hearing these stories means something to me. I've been able to give people the opportunity to take control of their health, their wellness, and become better.
I found it really exciting to use something that allowed my body to heal itself.
Whenever anybody tells me anything about anything, I research it. I've got to experience it to have an opinion about it, and that's the only way it works with me, because I'm not going to talk something up that I don't know. You can order it, it's easy, it's there, it's available.
To learn more about trending topics regarding your health and wellness, check us out at homeandlifestyletv.com and look for the For Your Health section.